Hi guys, this is just a quick video to show you how to get notifications for my live shows. A few of you have been telling me that you're not getting them, so jump onto YouTube and head on over to youtube.com/Ramsey, and you're at my channel. Click on the live tab here, and then you'll see the latest scheduled video should be sitting here in the first spot, and just click the notify me button here, right? So click on that and it will say notification on, and it will give you that little pop-up down the bottom. A notification will be sent when the stream is about to start. The other one here is up here when you've got the subscribed, and you want to have this one set to all. So this will send you all notifications. So there's the two areas that you will want to get yourself set, and then you'll get notifications when the live streams are on. Thanks for watching.